Okay, well, I don't know what happened, but my video didn't work, so I will walk you through the card, how I made it. I used strips of DSP along with the punch that goes with with the stamp set Lovely for You, or Lovely You. My DSP is a 1/2 inch by 3 1/4, 5/8 of an inch by 3 5/8, and then 3/4 by 4 1/4. My cardstock is 3/4 of an inch by 3 1/2, 7/8 of an inch by 4, and 1 inch by 4 1/4. I then took and stamped or punched the end using that punch. The kit comes with this embossed panel, but since I split my kit, I only had one of them, and this piece is 3 3/4 by 5. So I decided to show you how you could do the same thing with other embossing folders. So I took my piece of 3 3/4 by 5 and the Argyle embossing folder, and I embossed it. I layered all of my DSP and cardstock, and then I attached the bottom two using tear and tape and the top one with dimensionals. In the product share, there's also this gold metallic edged ribbon, and I ran a strip across that and secured it in the back with tear and tape. Then I took this and I added it to a 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5 1/2 piece of Night of Navy. I attached those two. I tied a bow and put it on top, and then from the kit, this was one of the punch outs, and like I said, because I split it, I only get one sheet. I pulled this one out, and my stamp set says Wildly Grateful, but I only wanted Grateful, so I used my marker and I inked it up and stamped it on my punch out. So there's the card and how it's made. And I'm so sorry, I do not know what happened. It just shut down on me and didn't do anything. So I would love for you to help me out on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to the button below so you don't miss my videos. If you want to be notified when I upload a video, click the bell next to it. Thanks for visiting me today. Have a great day.